Hi students, this is Kusha and in this video I am going to teach you 5 topics which through you can easily speak fluently way. So here are the few examples. We will learn it by the topics and the examples. The first one is here, compliments to the another persons, which means whenever you meet to the new peoples, like I am going to the garden and few the relatives area, so that time you have to make the good compliment to the another persons, which you can say, hey, you have a nice shirt and from where did you get it, because in this way your conversation will be too much longer and you can easily make the good communication skill in this video. And another thing is that identify the objects which is kept around you, which means there is a lot of things which is kept around here. Like I have a mobile, I have a TV, radio, markers and boards. You have to speak at least 50 words in that topics. Like this is the markers. With the help of this marker we can easily write something on the whiteboard. It comes the number of qualities, we have to purchase it according to our skills, because we have to use the longer periods. Repeat phrases, you hear native speakers. So what does it mean, native speakers? The people who belong to the another countries, you can say native speakers, like the Americans, Canada and UK. These people has a different accent according to the Indian accents. You should listen those voices. So in this time, because you can, whenever you feel like uncomfortable, you have a time, you have to courage of the learning English. That is the good way to keep increase your listening power, because if you have a good listening power you can easily understand what he speaks and then you can easily put the good answers with the examples. So follow these steps to the native speakers. You can hear everything as much as you can. Many things are available there. Read the news and learn English songs, which is easily available on the internet platforms. So fourth examples is here, make situations like that where you cannot back out, which means whenever you are alone at home, you have to make situations like there is nobody except you, and you are not in India, you are in America, like you are an actor, and if you want to make the get out from there, you have to speak English, otherwise you cannot explain, you cannot express your feeling, thoughts to that person where you are. So suppose I am in America and I know how to speak Hindi, I don't know what is the English structures, how can I speak English, and I know there is no any person who can speak Hindi language, so what should I do? I have no other choice without speaking English language. So I have to try it once, because whenever you are forcefully to try to your mind to make the small instructions, so in this step you can easily speak a good communications to the good pronunciations and as much words as you can't imagine, like hello sir, I'm hungry, I'm new here, I don't know why I am here, so could you please help me? A lot of things are there. And my last topic is here, the fifth topics, watch TVs and movies in English without subtitles. Many YouTubers and many books and many people had said that you have to learn, if you want to learn English, you have to see and watch something with subtitles, but that is totally incorrect, because whenever you are watching something with the subtitles, so in this time you have skipped something by the listening process. So everything watch without subtitles. You can search on the YouTube, so many things are available there. You can search comedian and the funny videos without subtitles and try to understand the words which is there, which is speaks, and identify the objects as well as the vocabs. So here are the few examples. I hope you guys you can easily understand all the things. Just try at home whenever you have a time. So if you want to like my videos and if you want to need some more videos, so subscribe my channels, and if you have any questions, put the comments in the comment box, I will talk to you there.